Hi, my name is Alexis Kelly. I'm a technical sales associate here with Omron, and I'm here today to teach you a little bit about our HS-360X and connecting it to an iOS device. Today we're going to be using an iPhone, but you could also use a tablet if you want. What you're going to need here is the manual off of our website. If you don't already have it, it is under the product page. You type in HS-360X, go to the product page, and under downloads there will be manual. You click on that one. The two pages that are really relevant for right here are page 54 of 478 on the PDF and 66. On page 54, this says at the top keyboard emulation HID. This is going to make your device discoverable on the iPhone. So when you go to the Bluetooth, you go to your settings, you go to general and Bluetooth, and it should pop up with some crazy looking number. Mine was DS36, etc., etc. And I click on that whenever it pops up. If it doesn't pop up after the discoverable, you want to go to page 66 where it'll say HID features, and you want to scan that barcode as well. So I'm going to go to the page 54, and you want to scan the barcode right off the screen. Then you want to go to page 66. I have these up in two different tabs just for time. And you want to scan enable for the iOS Bluetooth. This makes this pop up on my phone, and I have clicked it and connected. Now, whenever I scan a barcode, I open my Notes app, or you could open any other software you'd like. And when I scan a barcode, it's going to show up the information from the barcode on that device. For a quick example, we're going to use an Omron box for our counter with multiple QR codes on it, and we're going to use the Notes app. So all you have to do is point at the tiny QR code, and when it scans the information, it is populating the Notes app with that information on the QR code. Now I can hit enter, and I can scan multiple and get multiple items information down on the Notes app. And just like this feature, you can find tons of other features for the HS-360X on the manual, and you can find the manual on our website. That's it for this demo. Thanks for watching. And if you have any other questions, please reach out or go to our website at automation.omron.com.